5 Best Dropshipping Suppliers in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's e-commerce market is growing steadily, with an increasing demand for online shopping and quality products. If you're running a dropshipping business in Sri Lanka or targeting the South Asian market, partnering with reliable suppliers can help you deliver exceptional service and grow your store. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Sri Lanka to help you build a successful dropshipping business. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Sri Lanka. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, beauty products, or home goods, these suppliers will provide you with reliable inventory, competitive pricing, and fast shipping to make your store stand out. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's jump right in. At number 5, Daraz, Sri Lanka. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Daraz, Sri Lanka, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the region. What they offer. Daraz offers a wide variety of products, including electronics, fashion, home appliances, and personal care items. Why they're great for dropshipping. With a large network of local suppliers and competitive prices, Daraz is a trusted platform for sourcing products. Shipping advantage. Daraz's strong logistics network ensures fast and reliable delivery across Sri Lanka. If you're looking for a platform with a wide range of products and reliable shipping, Daraz Sri Lanka is a great option. At number 4, Alibaba, Sri Lankan suppliers. Coming in at number 4 is Alibaba, the global B2B marketplace with many suppliers based in Sri Lanka. What they offer. Alibaba allows you to source a massive range of products, including handmade crafts, apparel, electronics, and home goods. Why they're popular. Many suppliers offer customization and private labeling options, which can help you create a unique brand. Shipping advantage. Partnering with Sri Lankan suppliers on Alibaba ensures faster local delivery and access to regional markets. If you're looking for scalability and customization, Alibaba's Sri Lankan suppliers are an excellent resource for your dropshipping store. At number 3, Colombo Traders. Next up at number 3 is Colombo Traders, a local supplier directory that connects businesses with wholesale and retail suppliers in Sri Lanka. What they offer. Colombo Traders specializes in categories like fashion, electronics, home goods, and beauty products. Why it's great for dropshipping. By working directly with local suppliers, you can source quality products at affordable prices and support local businesses. Shipping advantage. Their local network ensures faster shipping to customers across Sri Lanka. If you want to build relationships with local suppliers and cater to the Sri Lankan market, Colombo Traders is a fantastic option. At number 2, Kapruka Global Shop. Coming in at number 2 is Kapruka Global Shop, a platform that connects Sri Lankan buyers with global products and local sellers. What they offer. Kapruka specializes in home goods, electronics, groceries, and personal care items, with both local and international options available. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their wide selection of products and focus on quality make them a trusted partner for online sellers. Shipping advantage. With local operations and delivery networks, Kapruka ensures fast and reliable shipping within Sri Lanka. If you're targeting customers in Sri Lanka and want access to global and local products, Kapruka Global Shop is a reliable supplier to work with. At number 1, mydeal.lk. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is mydeal.lk, one of Sri Lanka's leading online marketplaces. What they offer. mydeal.lk features categories like electronics, fashion, beauty, home appliances, and more, all sourced from trusted suppliers. Why they're the best. Their focus on affordability, quality, and frequent deals makes them an excellent supplier for dropshippers. Shipping advantage. MyDeal. .lk's strong logistics network ensures quick and efficient delivery to customers across Sri Lanka. If you're serious about building a successful dropshipping business in Sri Lanka, mydeal.lk is the ultimate supplier to partner with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Sri Lanka. Let's quickly recap the list. mydeal.lk. Best overall for quality products, competitive pricing, and fast delivery. Kapruka Global Shop. Perfect for accessing both local and international products. Colombo Traders. Great for building relationships with local suppliers and supporting the Sri Lankan market. Alibaba Sri Lankan Suppliers. Ideal for scalable and customizable product sourcing. Daraz Sri Lanka, a trusted platform with a wide range of products and reliable shipping. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Sri Lanka? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.